I'm just gonna say it. I really think that we should start a support group for people who have been personally victimized by sneezes. Cause what the hell? All I did was walk around and go about my day. A little bit of dust goes up my nose or whatever the hell. I don't know what the hell happens, but something goes up there. I feel a little tickle, and then all of a sudden I pee my pants. What the
Like and subscribe if you've personally been